Welcome. This demo highlights the connectivity features of the Aora SRKCN series interactive panel, covering wired ports, wireless sharing, and smart device integration. Let's begin. So here we will start with the connectivity option. When we open the connectivity option, we are introduced to the available ports. On the front of the panel, we have two USB ports and one Type-C port. On the back side of the panel, we have an HDMI port, USB port, Type-C port, DP, HDMI in, and touch port. On the bottom side of the panel, we have a LAN port, touch port, audio output, line in, and RS-232. All these ports are available. At the top of the panel, we can see which devices are currently connected to the screen. Here we can see that the microphone is on. The second icon shows Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is on and connected. Then Bluetooth is on, and a pen drive is also connected. We can see all these options as icons above. Next, we will see how we can connect the panel as an external device. First, let's see how we can connect our laptop as a wired device. An HDMI cable is provided. When the HDMI cable is connected to the laptop's HDMI port and the other end is connected to the panel's HDMI port, we can see the laptop screen on the interactive panel. We also provide a touch cable along with the HDMI connection. When the touch cable is connected to the laptop, we will be able to control the screen using touch on the interactive panel. Next, we have NFC support near the power button, so we can use the NFC card with this panel. Now let's look at wireless connectivity, how to connect a laptop or mobile device to this interactive panel. For this, we use an application called K-Share. So how do we use the K-Share application? First, we need to connect both devices to the same network. Once both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, we can connect them to the interactive panel and start using it. For Apple devices, we can connect using AirPlay. After connecting to the same Wi-Fi network, select the screen mirroring option and choose the panel from the list. For mobile devices, if both are on the same network, the panel name will automatically appear and we can connect directly. Otherwise, we can scan the QR code to connect the mobile device. For laptops, search for K-Share on Google, download the application, and connect the laptop to the same network. Once connected, the name of the panel will appear on the laptop. Select it, and the laptop will connect to the panel. By doing this, we can see the laptop screen on the panel, completely wirelessly. The laptop screen can be mirrored to the panel without any wires. There is also a reverse mirroring option available. This means the screen of the interactive panel can be mirrored back to the laptop. The panel screen can be viewed and even controlled from the laptop. The same can also be done using a mobile device. You can push storage files such as images, videos, and documents directly to the interactive panel. There is also an option to mirror your mobile screen directly. You can even use your mobile camera and display it on the interactive panel. This is how we can connect a laptop or mobile phone using K-Share. Below this, the first option shows all connected devices. The next option is File Upload, which allows us to share files from the interactive panel to our connected devices. The next option is Webcast. Webcast means if we want to display a device from a remote location onto the interactive panel, we can use the link provided here. Next is BYOM, Bring Your Own Meeting. With this option, we can arrange meetings using our personal devices. We can connect our own camera and microphone, customize the settings, and use them directly with the panel. The next option is Group Settings. This is used when multiple interactive panels are connected to the same network. It allows us to duplicate the display from one panel to other panels. The main panel acts as the source, and after selecting the other panels, the same display can be shown on all of them. So this covers K-Share usage, NFC card usage, and remote usage. That concludes the connectivity demo of the Aora SRKCN series. In our next video, we'll explore more advanced features. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.